We ensure your quality. As one of the leading system integrators for fully automated quality assurance from a single source, Automation WR has been developing and building turnkey solutions for the world's most demanding customers for over 40 years. The innovative complete solution for fully automated quality control of connecting rods enables our customers to increase productivity with constant inspection quality and decreasing costs to secure their own competitiveness. The parts to be inspected are first transferred as bulk material to the separation system via a box tipper. Using reliable and robust conveyor technology, the connecting rods are separated through various stations and transferred in a timed manner to the subsequent inspection system. Weighing the parts with a continuous load cell is also an important part of quality control. In the case of the inspection track, Automation WR, as an innovation leader for systems for quality assurance, implements latest conveyor technology. In a linear transport system and flexible motion profiles, simple to highly complex sequences can be realized, and thus the entire manufacturing process can be optimized. In addition to a compact footprint, this drive solution enables finely scalable adjustments in terms of geometry, number of movers, functional scope, and process speeds. Specifically developed inspection heads enable full component inspection using laser triangulation technology. The smallest deviation on surfaces of all kinds is detected by means of a specially developed CAD comparison. With a unique cycle time of less than 3 seconds, the connecting rods are completely inspected and classified on all surfaces. A sorting mechanism sorts the connecting rods into the appropriate boxes according to the inspection results. The customer individually determines the inspection characteristics that lead to rejects. The fully automated separation of the bulk material, the inspection of the parts at a cycle time of less than 3 seconds, and the classification into good and bad parts result in a considerable cost saving with a significant increase in quality control. Customer benefits with our complete solutions: 100% objective and reproducible quality assurance. Realize highest possible availability with plannable investments. Gain security through traceability. And process optimization through data analysis. Automation WR. Complete solutions in the field of surface inspection. We ensure your quality.